Hey everybody, Julie Quinn here, and I'm going to do a quick UMGC Library OneSearch video to show you how to find peer-reviewed scholarly journal articles, which is really easy. I'm on the OneSearch main page, and you can see how all I have to do is make sure I choose full text and scholarly journals when I do the main search. And the other aspect of this quick video is to show you how to find your APA reference information. So if you end up using the source in a paper, like your white paper, or any other sort of essay that you'll write at UMGC, that you've got the reference pre-formatted for you so you can save most of your time writing the actual body content. So you can tell that, imagine I'm a student in the education field, you know, going to become a teacher, and you can see how I have found 86 articles. There are a couple of, and you've watched the other videos about how to, you know, limit. We're gonna you want to make sure your research is timely, so you limit to within maybe 5 years or so. Publication date should say 2021 as well, because you want it to be as recent as possible. So within the last 5 years, we've got 11 articles. Imagine that this is one of the articles that I find that I want to be able to use. So when you click on it, you can get the full text from Eric. I'm going to go ahead and open it up there. So I clicked on that link, and it says download full text right here. So it's an actual PDF. So there's the access to the full text. Now, when you're on this library screen, the easy way to find the APA reference is to go over on the right-hand side and click on the Cite button right here. You've got options inside for all different sorts of academic styles. APA 7th is the style that you're going to use, and it's pretty close. It's not exactly perfect. So let me go ahead and open up a Word blank document. Imagine this is the references, you know, and you've got prior pages of content. When you paste in the merged formatting, what ends up happening is that it keeps the italics for your source, and you want to keep that. So this is close to APA style. I'm going to highlight everything. Obviously, you want your text in Times New Roman 12. Your paper will be set up that way and double spaced, even the references. So we're even closer. There's two final things you'll do. You'll highlight the reference. If you expand the paragraph right here, this is, of course, a word sample. If you're using other word processing software, it may be in a different place. But indentation can be hanging. You want to do this at the very end. Actually, put all your sources in first, and then just do this wholesale with your 6, 7, 8 sources, and then you only have to do it one time. But it goes like this. Hanging, and then you want after at 0. Now, you may look at this and say, look, it looks done. Authors' names are correct. Copyright year is correct. Separating each different item section with those periods, that's correct. But note, APA style does what's called sentence casing. You only capitalize the first word. You capitalize the word after a colon, because that's like considered like the first word, and any proper nouns. So now we've got an APA reference that looks like it's in perfect condition. That's all you need. Looks like it's the print form, but that doesn't matter. You don't have to have a URL or DOI or anything like that. This is what you need. This is exactly what I'll be looking for in any UMGC paper that you do, and this is how you not only find those scholarly peer-reviewed materials, but then you quickly get the references out of the database, and now most of your time is saved for the actual writing of the papers. Good luck.